Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix family information is not available. If you want to make a family sharing and showing an error family information is not available, then I'll show you how can you fix it. So guys, if you're facing this type of error, just simply you have to open settings. Now just simply tap on your Apple ID banner. So if you are facing this type of error here, then you have to sign out your Apple ID from your device. Okay guys, just simply you have to sign out your Apple ID and you have to turn off your device at least for the 60 seconds, and then sign in your Apple ID again and then check whether your problem has been fixed or not. And if upon success there guys, then what you need to do is just simply open any browser in your phone. Like I am opening Google Chrome here, and just simply you have to search for applesport.com. Now guys, just simply you have to tap on Apple Sport. Now after that guys, you have to select your device. So guys, you have to scroll it down. Now as you can see guys, showing here get sport option, just simply tap on start now, and from here you have to make a call. So guys, when you tap on start now, after that you will see here contact information of Apple Sport, and there you can contact with them. Then you have to tell them your problem. So just simply you have to tap on call us and you can call the Apple Sport team and they will fix your problem. So this is guys for today video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.